Understand this word negationism. Negating, which actually happened, factually happened, but trying to live as if it never happened, negating. Like in Europe, there are many people try to negate the Holocaust. Holocaust is factual and actual. It really happened. Jews were killed in hundreds of thousands. But people try to cover that fact, hide that fact, either fully or partially, aspects of it. This is what is negationism. Listen. Negationism is absolutely wrong, whether in your personal life or collectively in the social life or in the history of a nation or in the history of a civilization. When you start getting into your past, start completing with them, it is not that you are going to forget your past, you are going to separate the wisdom you need to learn from your past and the pain of the past, and you will absorb the wisdom in you and the pain will be burnt away. As on now, due to the heaviness of the pain, you try to negate your past and lose the wisdom also. People who lost the wisdom are not ready to learn from the past. If you don't learn from the past, history will repeat itself, and civilizations, human beings, whether collective human beings or individual human beings who are not ready to learn from the past, has no future. Your roots are in the past. Only through your roots you can strengthen yourself and your wisdom can become source of energy and inspiration for your future. Understand? Future need to be exuberant, alive, exciting, inspiring, intense. If you want successful, exuberant future, negationism about the past should be avoided. I am asking you to go into the past, not to worry about the past, but to build a very positive future. Negationism is a crime. If you negate your personal life's past, you are doing atmahatya, self-destruction. If you negate the past of a civilization, you are literally doing ethnocide, destroying that civilization. I tell you, Hindu civilization is heavily suffering with negationism. The amount of death caused to Hindus because they are Hindus is multiple times more than Jewish Holocaust death. Please understand. It's multiple times more than. I can give you statistics from factual history where the Mughals, Muslim invaders, documented their victory. From their documents, I can collect and give you the details. How the Hindu worship places are destroyed, how our ancestors were killed, and how our women and children have been kidnapped, sold as a slaves, sex slaves, and how our civilization was wiped out, literally. They have a number, this many number of Brahmins should be killed, this many number of Gurukuls should be destroyed. And still Hindu civilization is sitting on negationism. Not only negationism is not illegal, and all the people who write the negative narratives are celebrated with awards and rewards and respect. Hindu civilization need to know, you need to wake up from this negationism. Only then your next generation has life. If you don't learn from the past, you don't have future. It's the law of life. The civilization which does not learn from the past has no right for future. Dropping negationism and learning from the past factually and actually is the responsibility of the Hindu civilization. Hindu civilization is trying to avoid, push it under the carpet, all the crimes done against Hindus in the past. Understand? Unless you drop negationism, learn the past actually and factually, you do not have the future. We can't afford to get destroyed. We can't afford to lose life. We have to survive, thrive, flourish, to keep the greater science of life called Hinduism to the world. Understand? The Enlightenment science and the greater knowledge about everything in the cosmos is vested with Hindus. Hindus need to survive, thrive, flourish, share this knowledge with the whole world. We can't afford to collapse. Negationism is not right. Negationism is not right. Neither practice negationism in your personal life, nor try to be living in negationism when it comes to Hindu civilization. In both level, we need to come to completion. by knowing the past, by drawing wisdom from the past and burning the pain of the past. Forgetfulness, negationism is not the way to burn the pain. Forgetfulness and negationism is the root cause of the past pain repeating itself in the future. Past repeats in the future when you are in negationism. When you are negating. Negationism is the source of past repeating itself, its pains in the future. Drop negationism. Drop negationism. Get into the past, whether your personal life or the civilization's history, whether your history or civilization's history. Drop negationism. Go to the fact, study it factually and actually. Completion is all about getting into your own personal history without negationism.